Hey guys, Abraham here, aka Foods. Got a little video for you. It's still early in the morning, so that's why I'm trying to keep it on the shh. Baby and Sarah are both still sleeping, but we have 10 Pop-Tarts here, 10 that we're gonna speed eat. Let's get this going. Got a s'mores, strawberry, which looks like it's taking a beating. So, before I get into it, I don't got much time. I wanted to put some peanut butter on one of these, because I've heard that is fire. Without further ado, let's get to it. 2, 1. Not the best time. But definitely was fun. 10 Pop-Tarts, 2 minutes, 15 seconds. I think I would have been faster if I was dunking them the whole time. But just try to eat them normally for a little bit. But yeah, until then, until the next video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what I should try to fast eat or speed eat next, just trying to get better at that. But yeah, until then, bye.